Now, let's discuss the answer. For option A, given the P equals to 12,500 and T equals to 2 years and 4 months, and I equal it to 4 over 12. Given the K 6.5% and M is 2 for semi-annually. Formula that we will use is S equal to P times 1 minus I powered by N. Now, we enter the P, I and N using the formula, and N is 4.666 because we need to times M and T, and we will get the answer for option A is 14,511 and 79 cents. Now, let's move on to option B. Option B given a different P, 1,500, K equal to 4.5%, and T is the same, and M equals to 12 for monthly. We will use the same formula such in option A and enter all the value. This time, N is different because it's given different M, which is happen to 28. We will get a final answer for option B is 1,665 and 74 cents. In conclusion, option A is better because option A will benefit Farid financially over time because after saving for 2 years and 4 months, he can earn 40,511 and 79 cents. And now, let's discuss the answer. Given P equals to 44,000, T equals to 3.5 years, K 4.88%, and M equals to 3 because we compounded 4 months, every 4 months. We will use the same formula like in the question 1, S equal to P times 1 minus I powered by N. Option 1 is wait for 3.5 years and get RM 5,000. Next, option 2, we enter all the value in this formula and our N is 10.5 because we times T and M. And we will get the answer RM for 42,123 and 47 cents. In conclusion, Rafiq should accept immediate payment RM 44,000 and invest it rather than wait for 3.5 years to get 5,000 ringgit.
A. Calculate the total value of Mr. Tan retirement fund when he reached 58 years old. We will use S formula. S equal to P 1 plus I power of N. P equal to 120,000, R equal to 0.052, K equal to 4, T equal to 5. Now we put the information that we have into the equation. So S equal to 120,000, 1 plus 0.052 over 4 power of 20. And then when we calculate, we will get 155,371.07. For the second calculation, the S will become our new P. So S equal to 155,371.07 plus 80,000, 1 plus 0.052 over 4 power of 52. When we calculate, we will get 460,727.61. Question B. Determine the total interest earned throughout the investment period. We will use I formula. I equal to S minus P. I equal to 460,727.61 minus 20,000. I equal to 260,727.61 27.61. Question C. Evaluate whether Mr. Tan will have at least 500,000 in his account by age 58. Justify your conclusion with calculation. So, 500,000 minus 460,272.61 equal to 39,727.39.
To find the monthly payment, first thing first, we should know the total loan. So how can we know the total loan? First, you need to take the factory price minus with city part. So after that, we get the answer. The total loan is 2,590,000 ringgit. So to find the monthly payment, we should use the formula A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I. So we take the information and replace it into the equation. So we get the answer 7,803 ringgit 92 cents. Okay, next question. Calculate the interest charge. To find the interest, we can use formula I equals to n times R minus A. So we replace the information into the equation. So we get the answer 687,646 ringgit 40 cent. Okay, for next question. If he fails to pay the first 3 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the 4th payment in order to settle the outstanding area. Okay, so we can use RS formula, which S equals to R 1 plus I power of n minus 1 divided by I. So we replace the information into the equation. So we calculate and we get the answer 31,000 ringgit 270 ringgit 35 cent. Okay, next question. Immediately after paying for 30 years, she decides to settle the balance. Find the settlement amount. Okay, in this situation, we can use formula A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I power negative n divided by I. So, first thing first, we need to find the n. How to find the n? We should 12 times 5 equals to 60. So, we take the information that we already get and replace it into the equation. So we calculate and we get the final answer. The final answer is 451,968 ringgit 28 cent.
We will use S formula. S equal to R 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. So S equal to 45,500, R equal to 550, and K equal to 12, I equal to 0.042. Now we replace the information to the equation. When we calculate, we will get 85 months.